When your company is looking for a reliable source of machinery services, the ones that deliver quality, speed, and efficiency, you can trust only the best. Presenting CIA Machinery, serving excellence in machinery and equipment repair, sales, and services to a global community of equipment and manufacturing companies. With our large inventory, we will never let you wait. Products from world-leading brands like Funk, JCB, John Deere, Terex, and Ramsey winches are readily available at just one call. We have been managing orders for construction, railway maintenance, and oil exploration equipment with speed, efficiency, and reliability. CIA Machinery is the #1 source in items such as machine axles, power shift transmissions, hydrostatic transmissions, and planetary drives. So, for all your machinery and equipment needs, call 1-877-527-6406. For further details, please visit www.ciamachinery.com.